Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to create a Facebook account. Stay with me until the end of the video. Okay, let's get started. Step 1, open Facebook app. After Facebook, you can click create new Facebook account. After creating new Facebook account, click next, allow, okay, very easy. Okay, what is your name? First name, for example, nice steak. Okay, click next. Select your birthday, for example 10. Okay, okay, and click next. And use your gender. You can select family if you're family, if you're male, custom. Select male and next. Enter your mobile number. Okay, for example, okay, this is my number and click next. After set mobile number, create passwords with listed 6 character. For example, I create passwords and click next. After click sign up, creating your account. And select your name. Nice tech, nice tech. Nice tech. Okay. Yeah, and they use a different name. For example, nice tech, YT. Okay, next. Try again. Oh my. And select your username. And next. And very easy, our account has been created. Please like the video and subscribe the Nice Tech channel. Good luck.